How delicious to cook broccoli and how it is useful. Is it correct to call broccoli cabbage? The same question can be asked about kohlrabi. Is there any benefit from it, how to cook it properly, and how fresh broccoli differs from frozen? What is broccoli? Broccoli is a cruciferous vegetable, a member of the mustard plant family with dark green or purple buds. Its name comes from the Italian word bracco, which means shoot or branch. It is believed that broccoli was discovered by the Etruscans, representatives of the ancient Italian civilization who lived on the territory of modern Tuscany. Other species of Brassica oleracea include Brussels sprouts, cabbages, and other cruciferous vegetables. Outwardly, broccoli is similar to its closest relative, cauliflower. They are the same species, so broccoli is a cabbage. Both are low in calories, high in fiber and antioxidants, and are versatile to cook. But still different in nutritional value, cauliflower is lower in calories, while broccoli contains more protein and calcium. Now let's find out what nutrients broccoli is rich in and why you should include it in your diet. Benefits of broccoli. By the presence of beta-carotene, broccoli is many times superior to other vegetable crops. In addition, in terms of the content of potassium, calcium, phosphorus, sodium and iron, it competes with cauliflower, surpassing it twice in terms of minerals and protein. The product contains 9 essential amino acids, however, in small quantities. Nevertheless, broccoli is a worthy addition to other foods in a healthy diet. Broccoli is rich in fiber. The dietary fiber contained in the vegetable helps the intestines work. And they also slow down the rate of raising blood sugar, so there will be no sharp jump in insulin. By including broccoli in your diet, you can reduce your risk of heart disease, obesity, and diabetes. Anti-inflammatory properties. Beta-carotene, sulforaphane and vitamin C are antioxidants that stimulate the immune system. Studies show that sulforaphane, useful for vision, removes toxins and free radicals from the body, promotes tissue repair after trauma, reduces the risk of cancer. Broccoli contains not sulforaphane, but its precursors, substances that are not absorbed by the body. Therefore, in order to make the vegetable healthier, sulforaphane needs to be activated, chop raw inflorescences. Vitamin C in broccoli is also involved in the immune system by stimulating the activity of white blood cells. It also helps to better absorb iron from plant foods, which is especially important for those who do not eat meat and fish. Bone health benefits. Broccoli is high in vitamin K1, which is important for blood clotting. As well as phosphorus and calcium, they are involved in the formation of bone cells, contributing to bone health and preventing the risk of osteoporosis. Tip: because vitamin K is fat-soluble, add a diced avocado, a little olive oil, or hummus to a side dish or salad to help your body absorb the nutrient. What is vitamin K for, how to take it and in what products to find it, we told in a separate article. Benefits for the cardiovascular system. The potassium, magnesium, and sulforaphane in broccoli help lower blood pressure. Vitamin B9 is essential for normal tissue growth and cell function and is extremely important for pregnant women. Why does our body need B vitamins? Reducing the risk of cancer formation. Sulforaphane, the main isothiocyanate in broccoli, may prevent cancer formation due to its antioxidant properties. Studies show that foods rich in antioxidants slow down the growth of cancerous tumors and significantly reduce the risk of colon, bladder, prostate and breast cancer. Benefits for brain health. Green leafy vegetables are rich in brain-healthy nutrients. Vitamin K, lutein, beta-carotene and the already familiar sulforaphane protect against age-related cognitive decline and maintain the integrity of the nervous tissue. Cruciferous vegetables are an important addition to any diet. However, for some people, raw broccoli can cause gastrointestinal discomfort. If you encounter this, steam it and track the sensations. Introduce the vegetable into your diet gradually, add it to a cream soup, mash it or make a sauce. Use spices, for example, no less healthy turmeric. Discomfort in the stomach and intestines, individual reactions. In general, healthy people tolerate broccoli well. It is easy to prepare and expands your taste and nutritional range. Despite all the advantages of broccoli, many refuse it flatly, especially children. The fact is that plants of this species contain substances that, interacting with saliva, emit an unpleasant sulfurous odor. It repels potential admirers of cabbage from itself. Broccoli, contraindications. Although hypersensitivity to broccoli is rare, some people do experience allergic reactions to the vegetable due to its salicylates. Cabbage can also cause gas and bloating in people with irritable bowel syndrome. We recommend that you consult with a specialist if you are taking blood-thinning medications. The vitamin K in cabbage may reduce the effect of some of them. How to cook broccoli. Broccoli in cooking is a magic vitamin stick. Cabbage is eaten both raw and after heat treatment, alone and with meat, fish or other vegetables. Is there a difference between how to cook fresh broccoli and frozen? Frozen broccoli is no less valuable than fresh. For example, it is almost twice as rich in beta-carotene as raw. Cabbage does not require long cooking. It is good to blanch or steam it within 5 to 7 minutes. Frozen broccoli cannot be thawed, but immediately put in a pan. If the dish needs a softer consistency, leave the cabbage to thaw at room temperature, and only then proceed to cooking. Below we will consider ways to cook fresh and frozen broccoli. We promise, it will turn out equally healthy and tasty. Broccoli for a couple. Boil water in a saucepan. Place a colander or steamer on top. She must not touch the water. Place fresh chopped or frozen broccoli in a colander or rack and cover. Cook cabbage over medium heat for 5 to 10 minutes. The longer it is over the steam, the softer the texture will be. Drizzle with lemon juice, paprika, ground black pepper and serve as a low-calorie side dish. Broccoli in a pan. To make cabbage crispy. Separate fresh broccoli into florets or use frozen. Boil for 3 to 4 minutes in boiling water, and then transfer to a colander to remove excess moisture. Chop the garlic and fry in a pan with 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Fast, literally 1 minute. Place the broccoli in the hot skillet and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Don't forget to stir. Grilled broccoli. If fried with a minimum amount of oil or no oil at all, at high temperatures the vegetable will release sugar and caramelize. Use this secret in cooking. Pour water into a large saucepan, season with salt and bring to a boil over moderately high heat. Add broccoli and blanch until bright green, then transfer to a large bowl of ice water. Drain the water and dry the broccoli well. In a small bowl, whisk together the olive oil, ground pepper mixture, white wine vinegar, salt, and garlic. Place the cabbage in a bag and pour over the mixture. Or use a ready-made marinade. Leave to soak for approximately 30 minutes. Preheat the grill to medium heat. Remove the florets from the bag and place on the grill. Fry for 4 minutes until a crust forms and serve. Boiled broccoli. Dip the broccoli in boiling salted water and cook over medium heat. 1. 5 to 2 minutes to get a crispy, half-cooked product. 3 to 4 minutes will be needed to cook slightly crispy cabbage. 6 to 8 minutes, and the soft vegetable is ready. Boiled broccoli can be the basis for puree or cream soup. Thank you for taking the time to watch our content. If you find our video interesting, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for upcoming content. Additionally, we have included some valuable links in the video description below, which we encourage you to check out. We look forward to your continued presence on our channel.